Hey, Sun here. Good day to you. So today I want to show you how to hook up your Boss Footswitch pedal. This is the F5-6 to your Katana amp. I'm using the Katana 50 watt Mark II amp, and I'm going to show you how to hook this up. Okay. First thing you want to know is that before we do this, on your amp, the 50 watt head, on a 50 watt amp, you have two channels with two banks. You have bank A and bank B. So they give you four settings. Channel A and channel 1, channel 2 on bank A, and channel 3, channel 4 on bank B. So you got four channels to choose from. Unfortunately, you cannot switch to the panel, which is your setting on your amp. So you don't get five settings instead. If you know if you know what I mean by that. So you don't get four channels to choose from instead of five. So what you have to do before you set up, you have to think about what you want to do with your setting. What I would do is that I would have your one channel set as your rhythm with the volume down a little bit on the volume on the channel. Your master is to stay the same on all four channels, but the first channel for your rhythm, you want to have the volume down lower. On the second channel, you can have a solo boost, which have your volume all the way up to the maximum. So when you switch the channel from rhythm to solo boost, and you get louder sound, brighter sound. You have to mess with your equalizers and your settings to get different sound you want for solo. But ideally, you want to have one channel that's lower volume for your rhythm, and another channel that's louder in volume, the cut through for your solo. And then you have two other channels. You have one channel for clean channel, and then you have another channel for some special effects like octave or harmonizer, um, or a wow pedal for that. Since the 50 watt head only limit to four channels, so you have to think about how you want to set those up and to use those. So it depends on your sound, depends on how you run your amp live, and you decide what you want to do and how you set it up. But anyway, so I'm gonna show you how to do this. But first thing first, the F5-6 is a battery operated foot switch. It's not a big switch, and you can tell it's a pretty small one. In the back, you'll see where the battery goes. They use this 9-volt battery. Um, in the back, there's uh, two switch on each side for A and B. What you want to do, make sure you set the latch position on both switches. And then the polarity, you just play around with it. Well, one side is that you get a hold down in order to switch. The other side is that when you just click the button, click the pedal, and it's going to switch to the other channel. So those are the thing you need to know. And also, I would plug it right in the middle, output from the A and B switch out here into amp to your 50 watt head in the back. That's a input for foot switch. And one more thing, you have to use the stereo, a 1/4 inch stereo cable, which you will see there's like two black lines there. This is a stereo cord. You have to use a stereo cord instead of mono cord. 1/4 inch stereo cord. So let's get started. All right, so what we have here is set up to the amp. So like I say, switch A is switch between bank A and bank B. Pedal B here is switch between channel 1 and channel 2. So right now, if you see, all the lights are off, and you will see my amp right here is on channel 2, which gives a clean sound. Now if I hit the channel, if I hit the pedal B, and you watch the amp, if I hit this pedal B right here, you watch the amp's going to switch to channel 1. You see the light is on the B, on the pedal B, the light is on. So again, if you click that off again, it's going to switch to channel 2, which I have a clean sound. Again, channel 1, channel 2. This is on bank A. Now, if you want to go to bank B, you will click this A pedal. You will see that Now we're going to bank B. Because you can tell it's bank B because the panel light is slowly blinking. So now you're in bank B channel 2. This is my solo boost, that's why it's so loud. And then you click the B button, which will go to channel 1 of bank B. You can see that right now my amp is still slowly blinking with the panel light, but now I'm in channel 1, so which means is we're in bank B channel 1. This is my rhythm channel. So again, you hit the B button again. My channel 2 bank B. And the reason why I can only play a couple of notes is because I'm using one hand holding my camera and the other hand is holding my guitar. But anyway, with both pedals on, light is on, you in bank B. Right now you're in channel 1. You hit the pedal B. Now we're still in bank B, but we're in channel 2 of bank B. You turn off A again. Now we in bank A channel 2. You hit the switch again on pedal B. Now we in bank A channel 1. So hope that makes sense. Thanks for watching.